In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Logseq with aText Expander. If you take notes or journal in Logseq, aText can save you a ton of time by turning shortcuts into full snippets of text. I'll walk you through getting aText, then setting up a simple snippet you can use right away in Logseq. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search box, type aText download. You'll see results for aText, which is a popular text expansion app. Click the result that mentions aText as a text template and shortcut expansion tool for Mac and Windows. This takes you to the official aText site, which is what you want. A quick tip here, make sure the website domain is the official one so you know you're downloading a trustworthy app. On the site, choose the download that matches your device. Click download for Windows, or if you're on a Mac, choose the Mac option. Pick the version that fits your system and preferences. After the download completes and the app is installed, open aText. Keep it running in the background so your shortcuts are always ready while you work in Logseq. Inside aText, look for the option to create a new snippet. Click New Snippet. A snippet is simply a saved shortcut paired with the full text you want it to expand into. This is perfect for common structures you use in Logseq, like meeting notes, daily journal headers, or recurring checklists. Next, type your abbreviation. This is the short trigger you'll type to expand the snippet. Keep it short, memorable, and unique so it doesn't fire during normal typing. Many people like to start abbreviations with a special character such as semicolon or comma. For example, something like .ls for Logseq daily. Choose whatever makes sense to you and won't collide with everyday words. Now, type the plain text. This is the exact content that will appear when the abbreviation expands. Because Logseq uses Markdown, plain text works perfectly. You can include headings, bullet points, checkboxes like to do or done, and any boilerplate you reuse, such as a meeting template, a project outline, or a daily reflection block. Using plain text ensures your formatting stays clean and consistent without hidden styles. That's it. With the snippet saved, aText will expand your abbreviation anywhere you type, including inside Logseq's editor. The next time you start a note or daily page, just type your chosen trigger and your full template appears instantly. If you find a snippet firing too often, adjust the abbreviation to something more unique. Over time, add snippets for your most frequent Logseq patterns, and you'll notice your workflow become faster and more consistent.